All right, guys, so today here at a new construction, and there's something I wanted to show you, is something that's going on with the trusses. So if you look right here, you can see this is your return plenum box. So your air comes back in there and goes back to your air handler, but you see how this thing is not level right there? It's because this truss right here is sagging. If you turn around over here, you could see where the gusset plates, so the gusset plates is these metal plates right there that are at your connections right there. So you can see how that gusset plate's damaged. This truss right here is sagging, and you can see these things all the way across should be level. Look at that. So here you can see that's level right about there. So that's how much that thing's sagging. And you can also tell from up here your gaps. Look at your gaps here, a gap here, and then you can see right there, this whole truss is sagging there. There's some deflection right there at this gusset plate. So this right here is definitely something that needs to be corrected. Now, we just showed it to the builder, really cool about it, which is not common. So he already called in the framers to come in here. Now with this truss right here being cracked, they are going to have to get a repair letter from the truss manufacturer. Remember that. Anytime you have truss repairs, you can't just have a framer just come in there and act like they know what they're doing. There needs to be something by the truss engineer, a letter stating that that repair is to be done this way, and then you need to make sure you have documentation of that to move forward with the next step. And also for your future reference, if you were to get a home inspection later on down the line and somebody sees a repair to a truss, you should be able to pull out that repair letter and have that as documentation saying that this is what the engineer of the truss called for the repair to be done. So this is a big catch right here, and it's something that needs to be corrected. Thank God they had us come out to do a pre-drywall, because once the drywall is up on this, the only thing that you're going to see is that there's a big sag in the drywall, and then it's such a cluster to try to get that fixed and pinpoint what's wrong. Right here, we're showing you what's wrong, which is reflective in the plenum box, the sagging there, the crack, and then there's also some deflection in this roof decking all the way through that you can't see really from here, but I saw it from the top side. So pre-drywall, in my opinion, you have to make sure you're getting it done and make sure that the home inspector has access to the plans. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.